Captivating her mind, secrets to being unforgettable. Sending her thoughtful, unexpected messages throughout the day can turn ordinary moments into delightful surprises. Whether it's a funny meme that made you think of her, a sweet, thinking of you text, or a simple, good luck, before a big meeting, these small gestures show her she's always on your mind. Creating personal jokes or memorable nicknames between the two of you is like crafting a secret language only you both understand. It not only brings laughter into your relationship but also strengthens your bond, making her feel special and uniquely connected to you. Planning unique and thoughtful dates demonstrates how well you know her and how much you care. Whether it's a surprise picnic at her favorite park, tickets to a show she's been wanting to see, or a cooking class for a cuisine she loves, these experiences show your dedication to making her happy. Giving her a meaningful gift that ties into her passions and interests shows that you listen and value what makes her unique. It might be a first edition of her favorite book, a piece of art from a local artist she admires, or even a custom piece of jewelry that represents a significant moment in your relationship. Leaving handwritten notes for her to find unexpectedly can turn a regular day into a memorable one. It's a timeless gesture that adds a personal touch, showing her she's cherished. Whether it's a note tucked into her purse, on her car dashboard, or hidden in her coat pocket, it's a small act with a big impact on her heart. Demonstrating genuine interest in her life can be incredibly impactful. By asking about her day and recalling the specifics, you show that her experiences and feelings truly matter to you. This attentiveness fosters a deeper connection, making her feel valued and understood. Creating a personalized playlist for her weaves a unique audio tapestry of your relationship. Each song becomes a reminder of shared moments or feelings, turning melodies into meaningful messages. It's a thoughtful way to say, "I'm thinking of you," without words.